Even for a dog that has been healthy, there is ultimately an end. It's a reality all dog owners must face, and though it's filled with tough decisions about when or how to intervene, understanding your dog's needs during this time is crucial. Dogs communicate various farewell signals to us, subtly indicating when they're nearing the end. Today, we'll explore 12 signs your dog might show in their final days. Recognizing these signs not only helps us prepare emotionally, but ensures we can provide the comfort and dignity our loyal friends deserve as they reach this tender stage of life. Loss of interest. One of the most poignant signs that a dog is approaching the end is a loss of interest. As they draw closer to their final days, dogs may begin to show less enthusiasm for the activities, people, and items they once loved. You might notice your dog isn't excited by their favorite toy or treat, and they may seem indifferent to family members. This detachment isn't a sign of diminished affection. Rather, it's a result of their decreasing energy levels and the shutdown of brain functions. As their cognitive functions decline, dogs can become mentally confused, making them appear detached and unresponsive. It's important to understand that your dog's lack of response doesn't mean their love for you has faded. They simply may not have the energy to express their feelings as they once did. Lethargy and weakness. Dogs are naturally active creatures who enjoy walking, playing, and engaging with their environment and their family. When your dog starts to exhibit signs of lethargy, such as not acting like themselves, showing little interest in moving, or participating in activities they once enjoyed, it's a sign that they're not feeling well. Particularly telling is when they lie in one spot for long periods of time, especially if it's a quiet, isolated spot or somewhere they don't usually choose for napping. This behavior suggests that your dog may be feeling overwhelmed by their physical condition, indicating that life's activities are becoming too much for them to handle. If your once energetic and enthusiastic companion has slowed down significantly, avoids playing, or even struggles with routine bodily functions like eating, drinking, or relieving themselves, it's likely a sign of their deteriorating health. Changes in breathing patterns. As our dogs approach the later stages of their lives, changes in their breathing patterns can be among the most urgent signs that their health is failing. You may notice your dog panting even while at rest, which can be unusually distressing if it doesn't seem to be related to recent physical activity or heat. Additionally, a new or worsening cough, or visible difficulty in breathing normally, are critical symptoms that should not be overlooked. These changes in breathing can often be linked to serious health issues such as heart failure, where the heart struggles to circulate blood effectively, or respiratory diseases that alter their acid-base balance. Other underlying conditions such as cancer, diabetes, kidney failure, or disorders of the liver or adrenal glands could also manifest through these respiratory symptoms. Decreased appetite. As dogs approach their final days, you may notice a significant change in their eating habits. No matter how tempting the food or treats you offer, a dog losing their appetite will often refuse both food and water. This decline in appetite tends to intensify as they get closer to passing. If your dog stops eating entirely, it's a strong indication that their body is preparing for the end. The digestive organs begin to shut down, and they no longer experience the sensations of hunger or thirst, which explains why even the most beloved foods no longer appeal to them. Even if your dog continues to consume small amounts of food or water, they may face digestive difficulties. Some dogs may vomit after eating or drinking, and if they can't keep water down, dehydration can quickly become a concern. You can attempt to keep your dog hydrated using gentle methods like a water dropper or turkey baster, but if they are unable to swallow, it's important to respect their body's signals. Visible weight loss and muscle atrophy. Accompanying decrease in appetite, you might notice visible weight loss. Your dog may appear frail and emaciated, a clear indicator that their health is rapidly deteriorating. This visual change is often stark and can be quite difficult to witness, but it's a crucial sign that your dog is in their final stage of life. Loss of bladder and bowel control. As their organs begin to shut down, even the most well-trained dogs may start to have accidents where they lie. This isn't a reflection of their training or behavior. Rather, it's because they simply do not have the energy to get up to relieve themselves. Combine this with their increasing lethargy and lack of movement, and incontinence becomes more frequent. Behavioral changes. You might notice a change in their behavior that reflects their inner turmoil and discomfort. Some may seek solitude, distancing themselves from other pets and even from us, their family. This withdrawal could alternate with moments where they seem unusually clingy, as they grapple with confusion or disorientation. Restlessness can also be a sign, with your beloved companion unable to settle comfortably, constantly shifting from one spot to another in search of some relief. It's heartbreaking to see, especially when they whimper or shake, showing us just how much pain they are in. Please be mindful if your dog shows signs of pain when touched. This isn't aggression, but a natural response to their discomfort. Decreased mobility. Difficulties in standing, walking, or maintaining stability are common. Your dog may show shaky movements or walk in a staggered fashion, struggling with what used to be routine movements. You may notice your dog stumbling, wobbling, or even collapsing when they try to move. Sometimes, this lack of coordination can be so severe that it may resemble a seizure, with muscles trembling and discharging energy in an uncontrolled manner. Pain and discomfort. As dogs approach their final days, they may exhibit clear signs of pain and discomfort. These signs can include whimpering, reluctance to move, or even aggression when touched in sensitive areas. It's crucial to recognize these symptoms early, as they often require proper pain management and could necessitate a consultation with your veterinarian. Managing your dog's pain is essential not only for their comfort, but also for maintaining the quality of their remaining days. Cool body. As your dog's life nears its gentle close, you may notice their body beginning to cool down, a natural result of reduced circulation. This cooling is often first felt in their paws and can also be detected in their breath. Such changes are normal as the body's temperature and blood pressure begin to drop in preparation for the final stages of life. Recognizing these signs can help you understand the process your dog is going through, allowing you to provide them with additional warmth and comfort during their last moments. Persistent vomiting or diarrhea. While occasional bouts are common, ongoing and uncontrollable episodes can severely impact your dog's well-being. These chronic gastrointestinal problems can lead to dehydration and malnutrition, potentially hastening the decline in your dog's health. Change in gum color. Healthy gums are typically pink, but if you notice that your dog's gums are turning pale, white, blue, or even yellow, it could indicate serious health issues. Changes in gum color can signal problems with circulation, respiratory issues, or liver function, among other conditions. In these tender final days, your dog will likely seek comfort and may require more attention and affection than usual. Spend time sitting with your dog, gently petting them, and speaking in a soothing voice to reassure them that everything will be okay. Remember, dogs are incredibly sensitive to our emotions. Maintaining a calm and comforting presence is crucial, as showing overt sadness can distress them. Continue to show love and kindness, even if your dog seems unresponsive, because they can still feel and appreciate your care. You might also consider moistening their mouth if they're not interested in drinking water. A gentle dab around the lips can be soothing. Lastly, respect your dog's preference for solitude or company. If they withdraw, create a comfortable nest in a spot where they feel secure, like their favorite corner under the kitchen table, and move their bed there to give them a sense of safety and belonging. As we conclude our discussion on the signs a dog may show as they approach the end of their life, we hope this video has provided you with the knowledge and comfort needed to support your beloved pet during their final days. Remember, recognizing these signs early can help you make their last moments as peaceful and loving as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.